So today we're going to be talking about a credit card that doesn't get anywhere near enough. Well, I was going to say credit, but that would be a terrible credit card pun. It doesn't get near the attention that it deserves. This card is going to be hands down the clear-cut winner when it comes to getting cash back for all of your dining purchases. Not only is this a no annual fee credit card, but this is actually a case where you're going to literally get something for nothing. Hey everyone, my name is Ben, and this channel is dedicated to all things credit related, helping you improve your score and find the perfect credit cards for you. So without any further ado, the card I'm talking about is the US Bank Altitude Go credit card. Now, this is not to be confused with its cousin, the US Bank Altitude Reserve credit card. That card is a premium card. It has like a $400 annual fee, and it has some pretty good benefits in and of itself. I might do a video on that later. But the US Bank Altitude Go credit card has no annual fee. And in fact, it's relatively light on fees in general. So not only does it have no annual fee, but it also charges 0% APR on all new purchases for the first 12 months. And it has no foreign transaction fees, which may or may not be beneficial for you, but if you don't have one of the premium credit cards, travel credit cards that typically comes with this 0% foreign transaction fee, then that could save you roughly 3% on anything that you buy if you're doing any sort of overseas traveling. Now, right off the bat, the sign-up bonus for this card is currently sitting at 20,000 points when you spend $1,000 within the first 90 days. Now, these points are at a fixed value, so their 1 point is equal to 1 cent. So 20,000 points is equal to $200, and the redemption for this stuff is pretty easy. You can do gift cards, cash, travel, merchandise. So you got a lot of different options when you're redeeming these points. And as far as multipliers go, it's going to get a massive 4% unlimited spend when it comes to any sort of dining. So that's going to be both dining in and dining out. We're still under lockdown at the moment, so things like Grubhub, Uber Eats, and Postmates, all of those delivery services are going to trigger that 4X category. In addition, it's also going to give you 2X points on all gas and grocery purchases. That it also includes grocery delivery, and 2X points on all streaming services. And then, of course, you're going to get the obligatory 1% for all other purchases. But why I say that you are literally getting something for nothing with this card is they're also going to give you a $15 per year annual statement credit for any kind of streaming services that you're paying for. So things like Hulu, Netflix, Amazon Music, Spotify, pretty much anything you can think of, they're going to give you a $15 per year statement credit for this stuff. Now, the statement credit doesn't happen immediately. Basically, the way it works is you have to pay every month for 11 months, so you would put your Netflix subscription on this for 11 months, and then month 12 triggers that $15 credit. So most everyone has some sort of a streaming service at this point, so they're literally giving you $15 a year for a no annual fee credit card. I mean, a lot of us are used to some of the premium credit cards, maybe the travel credit cards where they're going to give you travel credits or something like that. But those cards come with a very high annual fee. It's very rare to get some sort of a statement credit without an annual fee. And putting your Netflix or subscription services on this credit card isn't that bad to begin with, because it's already going to give you 2X points on all of that stuff. So it's equally just as good as something like a Citi Double Cash card when it comes to putting your subscription spending on this card as opposed to a different credit card. Now, 2X points for gas and groceries isn't terrible. Like I said, it puts it on par with something like a Citi Double Cash card, but it's not great either. So if you don't have a better option, then it's, not bad to put it on this particular credit card. But I would recommend keeping on watching this channel, as we'll tell you some better credit cards to get for gas and groceries and things like that. But when it comes to this 4X dining, that is phenomenal. That is hands down the best for all dining purchases, especially for a no annual fee credit card, and even relatively close for premium credit cards. Now, it's true that some credit cards will get you a higher multiplier. So some of the Hilton cards, I know there's a 0 annual fee Hilton card from American Express that has a 5x multiplier. And then there's a premium Hilton card, the Hilton Aspire, and that has a 7x multiplier for dining. But those are earning Hilton points, and Hilton points generally aren't all that valuable. They're only worth about half a cent each, give or take. So that means a 7x multiplier would still only be 3.5% equivalent. And that's where a premium credit card with nearly a $500 a year annual fee. So like I said, this 4x multiplier for cashback is going to be the best when it comes to a no annual fee credit card. So for 3%, you can get a lot of different cards for dining. Some of the more popular ones would be like the Chase Sapphire Reserve or the American Express Green Card. But this is the only free card that's going to get you 4% or more. So the American Express Gold Card does get you 4% back on all dining purchases, but it has a $250 annual fee. Now, this annual fee is partially offset by some of the statement credits that they can give you, but if you're not taking full advantage of those statement credits, then the American Express Gold Card can actually be a pretty bad credit card, at least in my opinion. And then there's another premium credit card, the City Prestige credit card. That one actually gives 5x cash back for dining. But that one's a little bit more geared towards traveling. It's one of their Citibank's premium credit cards. It has a $495 annual fee. So if you're not doing a lot of traveling and not taking advantage of all of their credits and perks along with this credit card, then that extra 1%, 5% as opposed to 4%, really isn't going to make a difference. And so it's for those two reasons, especially the world-class 4x cashback when it comes to dining, and that's going to be best in class when it comes to free credit cards, and pretty close second even when we're looking at these premium credit cards that cost nearly $500 a year. Plus, you're also going to get that $15 a year statement credit for your subscription services, so you are literally getting something for nothing. And with this credit card and the 4x points for dining, you're already halfway towards being able to replace your American Express Gold Card. So keep on watching future videos. I'll teach you how to get rid of that Gold Card entirely, where it's just no longer necessary. And that'll save you $250 in annual fees right there. So that's going to wrap it up for us today, folks. Why the US Bank Altitude Go credit card should be in everyone's wallet. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys and hearing what credit card setups you're running. And as always, I'll see you all again next time. Thanks.